bum 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 ba da 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 da. Oh my god. Oh, that was nasty. What the fuck is good? What is good? Oh my god, it has been so long. It's been so long. Ah. My god. How are you guys? Hello, hello, hello. We're back. We're so back. Holy fuck. What has it been, like a month, bro? Hold on, I need to put this on the story for Instagram. Make it look kind of aesthetic. Back, live, blah, 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 blah. Back to Forex from indices. I'm liking indices, I can't lie. We've been fractalizing the model and making it work clean as hell. I wanted to show you guys some shit. The month of August. Let me just tell you, from last year, doo-doo. August is not it in regards to price action and delivery. In regards to trading and like taking executions, like I've been just focusing on like personal account I could swing on like indices and shit like that. Like I'll do like call options and like I'll trade options contracts on swing positions on my personal account, but like I've been just ripping like futures props and doing that. But dude, like holy fuck, I can't, the last live that we did was literally what was the last live that we did? I've just been like so fucking busy. Like I was traveling, and then I was so busy. I was like, my girl, I was literally stuck at like Sydney Sweeney's house for like the longest time. She like wouldn't let me leave, like type. She like was kind of annoying. Like I was literally just stuck at her house, and she just wouldn't let me stream. You guys get that, right? Pretty annoying, I can't lie. 2 weeks ago. No, sorry, a month ago. A month ago was the last stream. Damn, she kept me captive for a month, bro. That shit was annoying. Like, fun and all, but like let me live, you know? That's crazy. That's crazy. As of right now, I have literally just been trading NQ and ES. Intraday trades, low-hanging fruit objective points, fractalizing the forever model. That's all I've been doing. Dude, I don't know how I survived. Deadass. No, see, like Zach, like, kind of got his, like, little vibe from me. Like, I was with Sydney before Zach, and then Zach stepped in. I think Zach's with her right now. I left her. Now, I'm going to be doing them in the free Discord. There's also, like, if you guys haven't joined that shit, the link to join the free Discord is in the description of the live. And then I'll share blank charts and shit like there, but I'll also do it in Telegram too. Yo, I liked ICT I liked ICT his lecture yesterday, and I'm not blushing, bro. I'm sweating. I can't lie. I'm sweating my shit off right now, still from the gym. And you guys are crazy if you think that I was wearing a shirt after going to work out too. But how are you guys all doing? How's everything going? How was your week so far? Pretty crazy is what happened right now overnight from the opening on Sunday going into Monday. I made an outlook on Sunday and then I woke up on Monday to fucking dollar lower. I woke up to NQ already hitting my sell side draw. Like everything got fucking wrecked. Where are my glasses? Bro, my glasses are right here. Glasses are right here. Keep that for nighttime. We'll do kick stream later. I'll wear them then. I'm not on my sophisticated time right now. I'm so jittered and like whacked off pre-workout right now. Today was back day. But when I say fractalizing the forever model, here, ready? I'll show you right now. Like this was so clean today. Like guys, note this. This was disgusting. So filthy. All right, so I was looking at NQ and ES this morning, and we took shorts to the lows here, and after we ran the lows, we created SMT resting here with NQ and ES, but ES was stronger. So like, what did we trade into? We were inside of this hourly bullish fair value gap. Dude, I'm like still like jittered on pre-workout. My hand's shaking, I can't lie. So we ran the lows, a short-term low here, stop hunt, created SMT, and we're on an hourly chart. So if we're doing time frame alignment, we're going to drop to an M5. If we drop to our M5, I'm not even going to identify it. Like, where was my entry? Based off of what I trade and how I look at the forever model. Like, look at the stop hunt. Look at the stop hunt here. I created SMT. Like, do you see where the entry was? Like, before I even, like, put it out. Yeah, no, Justin has the same ones. He has the red light ones. Those Johns. I'll show you the chart color. Don't worry. But what time? Which one? Well, actually, you can't really even point it out. But, yeah, you see it. You guys all see it, right? Like, how fucking clean was that? How clean was that? I have to take a picture of that. How clean? Like, bro, we run liquidity at 9:40. 9:45, we have a change in state of delivery. Like, run SMT with NQ. Next candle, closure above this body high. CSD order block. Next candle, tags in, and I'm long here, and fucking just rip it to these highs at a 3.88, and these highs weren't even SMT. This was just low resistance liquidity, and then boom, it just fucking rips. Like, this was so fucking clean. Oh, is my camera in the way or no? You want me to move it? Well, I'll make it smaller. Like there. Is that better? Dude, fuck CHF pairs, man. Come on. How do I know that's going to be an order block? That's going to be an order block because this is the down close candle that swept liquidity and created higher time frame SMT. Therefore, if we close above the body high of it, that's a change in state of delivery. And then you could utilize that as an order block, labeling this as a protected low. This is ES. This is the, sorry. Oh, fuck. That's what you guys are fucking, this is what you guys are not seeing. Okay. Hold on. Let's go over here, and I'm going to take off the overlay. Boom. Better? Good? Good. Right? Clear as day? Solid? Amazing. Amazing. But wasn't that fucking clear as shit? I didn't fucking see it because of my fucking stupid, I just wasn't looking. I didn't see the I caught the shorts, but like outside of that, I missed the fucking entry. pretty annoying. Like, very. But this is the trade that I would, like, frame it and I would show it to my mom. And she would be like, oh my God, Matt, you did so well. Congratulations. And then I would show it to Sydney Sweeney, and then she would ask for me to propose, and I would say no. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That type. You know? Alright, so what questions do you guys have? I want to solve any sort of problems that arise for you guys and make sure that, like, we can kind of make everything smooth running. Month of August is difficult. Let's fucking get to work. One for like Frankfish. What's going on? Alright, so I mean, also, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, in regards to like Forex, I haven't even cared to look at the markets because of how decoupled we are in regards to our fundamentals. Like, pairs wise, dude, I was looking and I wanted to trade Euro long to the highs. I even put it in Telegram too, for the people that saw that. I had it in Telegram. I wanted Euro to do weekly internal to external range, and I fucking wake up and dollar has already taken out this sell side low. Like, this was so clean. We had SMT divergence inside of this gap tag here with EU and GU. We closed previous week below this weekly inversion gap. I wanted price to trade into this inversion gap and then trade lower. We didn't, and fucking we had crazy news come up. But now, I mean, like, we have an external range low taken out. So what could be on agenda for anything in FX? Here, I'll take rid of this just so you guys can see it better. This gap is where price is moving to. And if you do premium and discount, mark off. I already have it marked off. Well, I'll delete this really quick. Mark off that area of interest and do 103.476. Look at that. Watch price get into premium of the daily range inside of this internal range liquidity pool and see if you could frame some sort of hourly sell model for us to continue lower, because I still think that dollar can go down here to the big 100 mark, 100.617. I think that is where we're going to. Personally, I don't see any other way. I'm pretty bearish on dollar right now. I don't think that we take out this high again at 104.827. I don't see that being a possibility, but that is what I'm seeing right now. So, what do you guys have? Okay, I'm seeing a spam of questions. Wait, let me start from higher. How do you know when to use consecutive down close or the up close candle? No, I use the up close candle or the down close candle that creates higher time frame SMT. Or runs liquidity and then creates SMT. Like the example that I showed you on ES. Like, this candle here is the singular candle that ran a short-term low and created the SMT with the NASDAQ. So this is my reference. I'm using that candle. I'm not using a consecutive series of up closes, you know what I mean? Or down closes. That's all. I only need that. That's it. This is like a fucking picture perfect trade. Absolutely, mwah. Like bon appetit type shit. When should... Wait, hold on. I want to answer the spam one. How do you know... Okay. As for NQ and ES intraday trading, do you trade New York session or London? Only New York. Only New York session. Bro, it is a must for... It is not a must for us to trade in a premium and discount. I'm just using premium and discount as a draw on liquidity. Like, if we're in discount after running a low, I'm not selling in discount. I want to sell in premium. That's my personal opinion. And like, let's say this here. Ready? I'm looking at NASDAQ and the S&P 500 on the daily. we're buying in discount into premium of the daily range. That's what I'm doing. Like, I'm framing buys on the lower time frame in discount of the daily range to reach into premium, and then when we get into premium, I'll frame shorts on the intermediate term perspective and the short term perspective to then short back down into discount or the external range liquidity. You know what I mean? Like, that's my goal. That's what I want to do. That's kind of how I want to structure that. Like, I'm looking for only longs in discount back into premium of the range. That is my ideology behind that. Time to go live. I'm in the gym. Damn, bro, I apologize. I literally just got back from the gym too. USD CAD weekly ERL to IRL is clean today, Matt. Check it out. USD CAD. Let's see if this was clean or not. Oh shit! No, I already had this marked off. I didn't even realize this. Did the 4 hour? Oh, it did, didn't it? Wait, you could. Let's see. Did it? Could you have framed anything off of this 4 hour gap? And was there SMT inside of this gap? Was there SMT inside of this gap? Let's see. Dollar index. Was there SMT with dollar inside of that gap? No. Wait. Yes, there was. Yeah. Okay, so this was the SMT here. This high with this. And then you go to the M15. And then you see if you could frame a trade off of it. Dude, I sound like I'm dying. There's no CSD or order block. I mean, you could. I mean, unless you traded like the closure of this, like labeled this as a CSD, closing below here, and then executing it with a stop loss here, or a stop loss at the high, and then targeting the low here, or you could have executed off of an inversion gap here, with price reaching into there, targeting regardless of this low. That was clean though. Whoever mentioned that was clean. That's clean. I approve. I like that one. That was good. That was a good one. I like that. Okay. What else? In Forever Model, I'm doing swing trades, but I'm facing a lot of losses because we are in a shitty time of the year. That's why. You have to understand the best. I mean, personally, I think May, June, and July are really good. Like, that was when I made the most. And then now getting into August is kind of shitty. Can't lie. But it's also the opening of quarter 3, so kind of let this settle. Still, like, I don't think that August is the best in regards to these swing trades. Like, I'm personally not focusing on swing trading right now. I'm focusing on intraday moves and all that sort of shit. What just happened on GBCAD? Something just happened. Oh, okay, whatever. What if SMT is in discount of daily? That's completely fine as long as you could. So say price reaches a internal range liquidity pool, but it's still in discount of the range. That's okay, and you're looking for shorts. You can still frame it like if the hourly on the daily, going from daily to 1 hour, the hourly provides a change in day delivery. You can still utilize that as a trade entry and look for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Like, that's completely fine. It's literally completely fine, and you could still capitalize on the trade. Someone keeps on spamming GBP JPY and Euro JPY. I have not looked at any. Okay, I'm assuming that you guys. What are you guys looking at here? What are you guys looking at here? Is this good or something? I'm not. Wait. Dude, Bro. What are you looking at here? Please tell me. Are you looking for shorts? Please tell me yes, right? Like, I'm assuming yes. Like, this is kind of like an example as to looking for shorts in discount, right? Am I wrong? Or are you going to weekly? There's nothing on the weekly, though. Oh, my God. That's abysmal. I see what you're seeing. Why? What is this doing? I just think that JPY like is just so fucking diminished right now. It's like you're trying to catch a falling knife. You know what I mean? I'll go over US oil. Don't worry. I see right now. I see daily SMT. I think that you're trying to catch a falling knife. It's that's pretty scary in my opinion to try and long this when price has just been getting completely diminished. Personally, I don't think that's your best bet. Dude, how many times? Like, I'll check US oil, like, holy fuck. I would try and I would just wait for more data on this guy. Like, let's see this kind of create more structure in regards to this before longing at a low risk buy when you're anticipating the smart money reversal when price has just completely been crushed by hundreds of pips. You know what I mean? It's not safe, and I wouldn't want you to lay on any risk on this sort of trade unless like you wanted to take it on like a eval with like 0.5% on the smart money reversal play or the low risk buy. Let's see. US oil before this guy has a seizure. Okay. First glance, monthly consolidation on oil. Gasoline futures, monthly consolidation. Weekly. Looks like it's drawing to this low. Weekly here. We took out the low, did we? Yes, we took out the low here, okay. But there's no internal range liquidity pool to reference, so that's still nothing. Daily. We traded into a daily bullish gap, and we're trading into a daily bearish gap. I have no idea what oil wants to do. This looks like it wants to drop lower and play catch up to gasoline futures. Personally, in my opinion, I don't like this at all. Also, I just hate oil in general. I think oil is fucking disgusting. Hourly. Did it tap this order block here? Wait, go back to the daily. Yeah. Price reaching into a daily bullish gap, tagging a bearish gap as well. Not something that I want to see. I mean, maybe you could wait for tomorrow, see if this is a confirmed swing low, and then maybe you could target Tuesday's high. So you could use this as a low-hanging fruit with a swing low forming in a higher time frame key level. That's something that you can use. And that's just price reaching and retracing a little bit higher. If it wants to go up, run some sell stops, and then go lower again. So you could do that. That's a possibility. Can you give a checklist for swing trades? I provide a checklist on practically every single YouTube breakdown and video that I put out. I'm actually making a checklist PDF of like the forever model for people that don't have any understanding of it. The time, like when I finish this live is when I'm going to work on a PDF for you guys that'll be like so fucking easy to understand. I appreciate that, guys. Thank you. I think that I personally have been able to give out the easiest explanation of price delivery compared to anyone else. If you want to join the Discord, there's a free section. You could do it in the link in the description, and there's also the premium that you could do in the link in the description. Symbols, chart colors for the people that have asked. This is this gray, 40%. Opacity. I don't even know how to say that word if I'm being honest with you. Then this one is this color, green. I don't even know if this is green, whatever the fuck color that is, and 69%. Don't ask me why it's 69%. I just thought it was funny. Yo, run it. Stop spamming, please, for the love of God. ICT drops gems in the previous live from yesterday. That was a good one. In the beginning. Okay, I'll look at Euro. Okay, sure. I'll look at EuroCAD. Holy moly. On the hourly? Oh, from here? Holy shit. Wait, where? Which one? Why didn't you wait until 8? I've never taken a trade before 8 o'clock. You should have waited until 8, bro. Also, was there SMT? Where's GBP CAD? This is getting murdered right now. All right, so this is EuroCAD here makes the higher high here, and then it runs. Actually, there's no short-term high here, but I wouldn't even taken this, and it didn't even. I wouldn't even be taking this because I need for me to take an entry. I know I see where your entry was, bro. You took the entry off of this. Wait, hold on. What's 7 a.m.? This order block here, right? Wait, which one? This order block? This isn't even an order block. Well, I mean, unless you count this, I guess. If you count the last down close candle in the swing, like this is what you took? Wait, you longed it? Why? I don't understand that long. Oh, fuck. Today. Off of here? Why? We did just take out a weekly external range high and a monthly external range high, bro. So you're basically buying above old highs. Don't do that. And there's SMT at these highs with GBP CAD. So I wouldn't want to do that. My watch list this week. Okay. My watch list this week is only reliant well, actually, my watch list before the week started again, I wanted to see dollar take out this low, but we already took it out on Monday. I want to see dollar trade up higher into that 103.476 level, and that is premium of the daily range. And then I wanted to see price on euro reach out the weekly external range highs. I'm not looking at, honestly, anything in FX right now. I don't think it looks good whatsoever. I am prioritizing indices, trading intraday trades, scalps into the daily premium. That's what I want. I want to see indices higher into the premium of the range. I want to see 18,535.5, and I want to see ES 5360 and a half. That's what I want. Easily. Should get there. It really should. And I would like to see some sort of SMT get created. Maybe one of them tags premium and another one doesn't. That's kind of what I want. Bro, would you say the 1226 candle on NQ is a high probability? Let me see. Hold on. Vic, are you looking at this on the M1? Let me clear out this and clear out this. Hold on. Okay. 1226. Let's see. The one... Oh, what, this guy? I was actually looking at this, bro. I was utilizing this because I was framing it off of the M15. I took the longs in here, and I was looking. I wanted SMT to occur, and we got it. Here. SMT here, and we had SMT here with NQ, or with ES, like this. Boom, boom, drag out. I took a loss and then I caught the win, and I'll show you exactly what I did. So I was watching this from here, and this is, for the people that are asking about fractalizing the model, this is what I mean by that. It actually gave the entry on both NQ and ES, so look carefully at this, just so that you can kind of see my mindset and my ideology. I entered here originally, I pushed my stop up, this came about and stopped me out, and then I watched and I saw that there was SMT that got created here between the two. So when we look for the forever model to happen, occur, and use, we need these things to happen. We're looking for price to reach an internal range liquidity pool and then create SMT divergence inside of the internal range liquidity pool. Those two steps, foundation. This is the M15 key level. So this is an M15 bullish FEG. We're waiting for this reaction off of that key level, and this was the failure to go lower on NQ, and ES went lower, ran the lows resting here, failing to do so here. Then we also ran this short-term low in the midst of everything. So this was a run of a short-term low that created SMT on the higher time frame, which is the M15. So if we're using the M15, we go to the M1, we frame a market maker buy model off of that M15 key level. This is the candle that swept the liquidity and created our higher time frame SMT. So this is the candle I'm utilizing as a reference for our OB/CSD. And our resting highs were up here. This was our resting buy side liquidity, these relative equal highs. We were playing catch up with the S&P. So buy stops are resting, or buy side liquidity is resting here. Sweep liquidity, SMT on the higher time frame. Next candle, close above the candle's body high. Right here. Close above, order block /CSD/CSD. Okay, boom. And then all you need to do is execute off of this order block when we tag it. Stop loss at the candle that creates the higher time frame SMT and tags the higher time frame key level. TP at the resting highs. You take profit. First one is at a 1 to 2 right here, which is basically this resting high. So next candle, it tags us in here. So we're in the trade there, and then you can just let it ride. Boom, that is TP1, 1 to 2. Stop goes to break even. Runner to the external range highs, and it just goes. Boom. Easy. Holy shit, bro. I'm sorry, but I'm putting you on timeout. Like, holy fuck. Bro, you can't be doing that at all. Like, bro, what to do in the type of market? I can't scalp 1 minute instead of swing trade. What should I do? Like, okay, I'm sorry, but I'm not dealing with that at all. I'm sorry. Like, that's not happening. Like, deadass. Don't do that again. Watch my videos and you'll understand. Jesus Christ. That's fucking ridiculous. Holy fuck. Don't do that. Bro said a lobster. Fuck. But do you guys see this? Like, do you understand this? Like, say type something in the chat, W anything, if this makes sense to you as to how I just framed it. Like, do you guys get how I'm putting these trades together? Yes, no, maybe so. Like, is this clear to you guys to, like, execute on your own? I'm simply doing what I've shown you on every single swing trade on my YouTube channel. Is the same thing that I'm correlating it to a fucking fractal concept, utilizing the M15 to an M1. Like, that's literally it. That's literally it. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just doing the same shit, just fractalizing the concepts. And in the month of August, that's what I want to do. All I want to do is pretty much look for low-hanging fruit objective points. That's it. That's literally it. But this is what you want to look for. This is picture perfect. Actually, speaking of that, I am putting this and saving this to go into journal. Okay. Talk about time frame alignment. I have time frame alignment. It's literally, actually, I have a reel. It's on my Instagram. Time frame alignment is simply monthly to daily, daily to 1 hour, 1 hour to M5, or weekly to 4 hour, 4 hour to M15, M15 to M1. What else do you guys need? Euro NZD and GBP NZD. I see that pair. NZD pairs, please. Okay, what NZD pairs? Are we looking at the crossed S NZD? Or are we looking at something else? Let's look at it over here. I don't even have NZD pairs on my watch list because I fucking hate them. But it's okay. Whatever for you guys. That's cool. Okay. GBP NZD. How important is journaling in your trading? If you're not journaling and you're not trading, you don't have a legitimate win rate and you have no idea what you're doing. So, therefore, you should journal. If you're not journaling, you're just simply stupid. And you are wasting your time. What the fuck am I looking at? Like, journaling is so important because you can then, like, say you journal for a year straight, you'll be able to know what month out of the year works best for you, what week out of the month works best for you, and what day out of the week works best for you, and what time out of the day works best for you. You'll be able to collect data and understand what is high probability and what is low probability in regards to time. What do you see here on Euro NZD and GBP NZD? Because I don't see anything. This thing already tagged internal, went to external. There was SMT here, so this was the trade if you were looking for something, and it was here, boom, boom, boom. Was there an execution, though, here? That's what I want to know. Daily to 1 hour. Oh, yeah, fuck, this was clean as hell. So, candle, OB. We're shorting the weaker asset. Whatever this was London setting the high of the day. Daily internal range liquidity pool. You short this OB. You TP the daily external range liquidity. And you look for a 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 is right there. But that is your trade. We close below. Close below the candle that creates higher time frame SMT, runs liquidity. Next candle closes below the body, come back up, trade into it, short. Easy. Kasem took that? Did he put that in Discord? If he did, that's fucking clean. Is he in here? If he took this, then he's one of the top, one of my tops that has been trading the model that's been fucking smoking its pack. Can't lie. That one was clean. It's just in regards to like the stop loss placement. I mean, if you like, you can't just use the body here. You would have to like adjust it to like the wick. Maybe like the consequent encroachment of the wick. Consequent encroachment of the wick. 2.63 risk to reward. 2.1 or 2.0 risk to reward would be here. So you would have been out there. And that still would have been a swing, but still clean. Clean. NZD futures. NZD futures. NZD futures. What the fuck is happening here? Sweep. Run. Oh, this is going to the internal range liquidity right here. Right here. Right there. After running these lows. Yeah. It should go here. Previous weekly high. It should go there. Boom. Buy side. Bullish order block. Buy side liquidity. That's it. Also, do you guys see how fast I find a draw in liquidity? Takes me less than 10 seconds. Oh my god. Am I speaking Japanese to some people? Or like gibberish? I hope not. And I apologize for the people that do speak Japanese or are from Japan. That's just foreign shit to me. I just want to make sure that I'm making sense. And simplifying this to the point where it's understandable to you guys. Oh, Bitcoin. This is something that I'm very skeptical on. And I am waiting, and I have my alert here. Like you guys can see this 58134. So we had that crazy massive drop on crypto. And what did I say? Like I showed you guys this and I sent a reel out. My last one that I posted before, not the last one, the one before. Here, like, hold on, let me show you guys real quick. So I said this. Let me go to it. I'm going to show you guys. So my reel that I put out was here. Crypto is getting absolutely murdered right now. And this is my current view on the marketplace. From a technical standpoint, this is the monthly chart. Oh, yeah. Monthly range. That's what I wanted. So we had this marked off on Bitcoin, and I was looking at it like this. So we had this monthly swing, and we had this old gap here. And I said that I wanted Bitcoin to drop into discount of the range. And I said that on Sunday. And we perfectly tagged discount of the range getting down to 48 or 49,000. I said 49,000 to 48. That's what I wanted. And we did it. And the reaction off of it was very good. So we're utilizing this gap here. This is an overlapping bearish gap with a bullish gap too. So if we go to the daily chart, after this massive drop, we swept liquidity resting here. We swept these lows here. We tagged monthly discount of the range. So if we are bullish, I would like to see the daily close above this body high. And that would be a daily change and save delivery and an order block for us to then go like this. Boom, boom, tack it, boom. That would be my guess, but I'm not doing anything until we close above that. If we don't, then I'm not doing anything, and I'm expecting lower. If we do close above it, I'm expecting higher all-time highs. 73,777. That is my guess and anticipation. Someone said AUD CAD, look out. What am I looking out for? What the fuck? I hope this is good. This daily, okay. What in God's name? Holy shit. Dude, I really don't like Forex right now at all. Are you like looking at where's your where's SMT? I don't know what are you looking at shorts or longs? Monthly IRL? Okay, that's fair. What about monthly on NZD CAD? I don't like how NZD CAD closed off the previous monthly gap. I don't like this. This could drag lower, in my opinion. I don't like that. This I don't like. That's nasty. But FX, dude, I've been being blatantly honest with you. I think FX is fucking horrendous. Like, horrendous. I've been finding so much more success in making plenty of money trading, like, intraday trades on indices. Like, that's really, like, been the bread and butter lately. Like, the trade that I showed you guys on NQ, this is not fucking happening on FX. This has been stupid. I want you guys to study this and backtest it. Like, please. AUD, NZD. AUD, NZD, where are you? Where are you? Also, don't trade this pair, by the way. Just use it as a strength and weakness indicator for identifying long or short on AUD XXX or NZD XXX. Just utilize it for that. I don't. Okay. Nothing. Weekly, I guess. Gap, tag. These are flat top highs. Could go up here. 111,515. Looks pretty good. So if this, here's the thing. If AUD NZD is bullish and goes to these relative equal highs, then anything that is XXX NZD would also be bullish. So if this is bullish, then the people that are asking for, someone just asked about Euro NZD and GBP NZD, that would be bullish as well. So if this moves higher, then GBP NZD and Euro NZD would also move higher. That's the verdict there with AUD NZD. For the people that didn't know that. Euro what? Euro USD? What's going on? I'm just seeing Euro. Euro what? Euro USD. I don't know. I have nothing with Euro USD. Wait for price to get into a daily gap. Watch this gap get traded into. And then, oh, yeah, look at this. Ready? Hold on. Watch for this gap to get traded into, and it creates SMT with GBP USD. But I don't think that a trade is going to brew on this until Thursday when we have high impact news. That's my personal opinion. I don't think that we're going to get any capitalization on Euro or GBP until Thursday or Wednesday. So maybe tomorrow something sets up in primes, but I don't think that this is going to be good until that day. Wait for the economic calendar to align itself, time before price. Remember that. Questions. There's a setup in GBP, NZD, daily IRL to ERL. First 6-minute swing. Who uses a 6-minute swing? You mean 5-minute? High, massive drop, creating. What is that? What? How do I use the economic calendar? Use the economic calendar to understand what days provide the most volatility injections into the marketplace, because remember that volatility provides opportunity and speed from liquidity point objective A to point B. That is what the economic calendar is used for, to understand when price is going to have its most speed. This is the trade that this is the only thing that I saw on GBP NZD. Note this one. Is there a reason you specifically advise 1 to 2? Because 1 to 2 is more than enough. If you have $1 million account, you make 1 to 2 risk to reward, and you're risking 1% and you make 2%. What is 2% of $1 million? $20K. I'm completely fine with making $20,000. I don't need to go for home runs. Your goal is to stack allocated funds and understand that more capital is better rather than going for higher risk to rewards. More capital, lower RR, that's better and less stressful. How easy would it be to get 1% of $1 million a month? That's 10 grand, that's 10 bands, 1%. A month, 10K, 120K a year just from trading. Sounds pretty good to me. Once you have a system and you can pass accounts like that, it's very easy. Very easy. You just need to submit the time. Submit the time and you're good. In Euro USD, there might be a setup daily time frame. That's why I said I marked off this. This on the daily. How do you find an intraday bias on NQ? I legitimately am looking at the daily. I'm marking off a swing high to swing low. Same thing on ES. Swing high to swing low. Impulse high, impulse low. We're in discount of the daily range. I want to long price into premium. And we still have an unfilled new week opening gap, an imbalance in price. This is an inefficiency. This is not an IRL, but it is an inefficiency in price. So it still needs to get rebalanced. So we need price to move higher and trade into it. For us to then have a balanced price range. That's what you want. You want to be longing in discount and selling in premium. So I'm framing my intraday trades trying to long back into daily premium. Bingo. When you're looking for a DOL like IRL to ERL on a higher time frame, do you look at historical prices to the left, focus on... Well, I use like historical prices on the left, like old highs and lows as targets, like liquidity pool objectives, but I'm using the IRLs as... I'm using IRL, any one that is unmitigated. Like I can't use a tag of a IRL that has already been tagged and took out an external range liquidity pool. I need the gap to be unmitigated. When would you plan to trade back to Forex? When we get out of August, and also when dollar's more clear. But I'm also I'm looking at Euro right now, and I'm gonna look at Euro as Dollar trades into this daily bearish fair value gap, and euro trades into this daily bullish fair value gap. So what I'm assuming is this up, then down, and then on euro, down, then up, creating some sort of SMT. Maybe GBP runs this low here. Like GBP could run this low at 126.150, and then that creates SMT like this. Wait, hold on. This is, where the fuck is this? Oh, this is weekly. Holy shit, fuck. This is weekly. Damn. Oh my god. Regardless, we still have SMT right now, but I want to see some sort of hold of this gap like this, like that. If we're gonna continue. So I do have a yes, slightly over. How to pass challenges. Study my model. But in order for you to pass challenges, you just need to gain confidence in yourself. Because like I can tell you one thing, but it's the matter of how you're taking the information that I'm giving you and how are you replicating that on your own time on the charts. Like I can tell you exactly what to do, like I've been doing in every single video that I put out on my YouTube channel. Everything looks the same. Every single trade looks the same. My whole model is replicated through probably 30 different trade breakdowns, maybe more. I don't really know. I think 30 to 60 trade breakdowns on my YouTube channel, and all the trades look the same. So you guys have the pieces of the puzzle in front of you. It's just the matter of how are you being disciplined enough to follow the simple rules that you need to pass an account. How many trades are you taking in a day? Are you limiting yourself on losses in a day? Like personally for me, if I take a loss twice in a day, I'm closing the charts and I go about my day and I leave. And then I come back the next day. Or if you're taking a loss, are you coming back and are you risking more to obtain the loss that you just had? Are you strict with your risk management? Are you properly managing trades when you're in them? Are you closing them prematurely, or are you accepting the risk and you're letting them go to your stop loss? Or are you accepting the risk and you're letting them go to your take profit and your objective points? Or is price reaching a 1 to 2 and you're being too greedy? You don't want to close it at 1 to 2 because you think that if price reaches the external range high, it passes your account, or you make 5K, then price comes against you, stops you out, and then you revenge trade. Like there's so many different things that I know that you guys are probably doing that you're just not understanding. You think that it's okay. So again, trading is a one-on-one battle. I can tell you everything that you need to do, but it's just a matter of the fact of how are you taking in this information and reflecting it back onto the charts and trading live. That's what you need to understand. So until you can kind of humble yourself and keep your discipline strong, then you'll be able to excel, pass accounts, get funded, like get payouts, all this shit. So like you need to fine tune your mental game before you can actually take the next steps to making money from trading. You know what I mean? How would you know which pair is strong? When it makes a higher high, or when it makes a higher high, or it makes a higher low. That's the stronger pair. Compared to its correlated asset that makes a lower high or a lower low. You can use the forever model during London kill zone. I just don't trade it. Dan said he used the forever model on NQ on the 1 minute. Yeah, it delivered yesterday too. You can use this almost every single day if you fractalize into an M15 to M1. Do I work during London? This is my full-time job. I'm sleeping during London. But if you're asking if this model works during London, yes, it does. It works during any kill zone. Asia, London, New York. It's not set in stone. So you guys can back test it and look at it, see it any times of the day. It's fine. But that's pretty much it. Bro, I only trade NAS right now. I wanted to expand to another pair. Would you recommend? I mean, bro, if it's overwhelming to you based on, like, bro, personally, I'm being honest with you, I didn't transition into Forex until, like, a year and a half ago. And you don't need to. Like, you really don't need to transition into Forex. You could literally trade NQ and ES for the rest of your life and you're fine. And, when I was trading only ES, I What did I do? I journaled every single day's price action for a year. And I was able to study its movements, its times when it delivers typically its best Monday through Friday. Utilize that with the economic calendar, and I was able to study that like a motherfucker. So if I were you, I would honestly just stick with that. Like just stick with trading NQ and ES. If you're gonna be overwhelmed by looking at too many pairs, don't do it. Just stick with the one. If you're already thinking about that it's going to be overwhelming, don't fucking change anything that you have. Like, literally don't. Just rock with what's given to you. Do you go live stream one day a week? I just got back to my house after being gone for a month. So this is my first stream back in a month. So I plan on probably doing another stream tomorrow. I'll probably be kick streaming tonight. So we'll be back in action with at least 2 streams a week, maybe 3, but this week 3. Every other model I was using shit compared to the Forever model. I see it play out every day on the 1 minute. It's dead ass free. I'm not even kidding. It's free money. It's kind of insane. It is kind of insane and how simple it is. You could literally fit these fucking steps on a checklist on a fucking post-it note. What else you guys got? Where do I live? I live right outside of New York City. I am craving to stop working my full-time, man. Bro, you'll get there eventually. Just make sure that you're fucking studying and you're just journaling every fucking day, and you'll get there. You just need to gain confidence in yourself. How much capital you got on your chain? All copy traded. So I'm doing right now between FX and futures. Futures I only have, as of now, I only have a quarter. And then in FX, it's a little bit over 800. But that's just, I want to transition out of FX and just max and try and do like, I don't like Apex. I like Top Step, but I heard something about their consistency, but I think that my funded futures are the best. Why didn't you include... Oh, wait, sorry, before that. How do you deal with drawdown? How do you can reduce your risk if you're in drawdown and just trade... Like, say, like, if it's overwhelming for you and, like, you're in a trade and you're scared about losing your account and you're in drawdown, reduce your risk and make sure that, like, if you, like, calculate and you're, like, say your max drawdown is 10% and you're 5% in drawdown and you're usually risking 1% per trade, drop your risk down to, like, 0.5%. And if you're at 0.5% risk, that means instead of having 5 trades until you lose the account at 10% drawdown, you have 10 trades that you can lose if you will then lose the account. So if you're losing, well, first of all, if you're in 5% drawdown and you're risking 0.5% and you lose 10 trades in a row and then you lost the account, that's your own fault and you're not following your own rules and you need to reevaluate your checklist and your model. So that's a pretty simple thing to understand. But if you're in drawdown, reduce your risk and only look for A+ setups. Like, make sure that you're following your model. Make sure you're understanding. Like, don't over trade in a single day. Keep a strict set of rules with 2 losses in a day and then close the charts, etc. Stuff like that. Keep it at a very minuscule amount of stress on your plate. That's how I personally do it and how I handle it. I always reduce my risk if I'm in drawdown. Where do I find his entry amount? Look at my YouTube channel. Why didn't you include the highest high in the NQ for the IPDA data range? I don't use that. But what are you looking... Hold on. Which are you talking about? No, dude, I'm using just the swing points, bro. The directional swing points, if that's what you're talking about on the daily. For FX, it's not looking tradable at the moment. Will be a good idea. I mean, I'm not saying it's not looking tradable. I'm looking for something to trade off of this daily gap on euro, as of right now. I just needed imbalance to get created. I didn't like how the fact that we opened on Monday and we already took out a major sell side liquidity pool. I don't want you to look at FX this week. I don't think that it looks good. I am waiting on FX to give me an opportunity to then capitalize on a trade. Are you serious, Fig? Is it running? 15. Did it create SMT inside the gap? Oh no. It did, didn't it? Hold on, let me look at this. So, okay, can I just fucking delete all this? God damn. So we have this gap here. We failed to tag it on NQ, and we tag it on ES here, M5. This is the gap. We don't want a short-term low. How about the 15? Did we create SMT inside the 15 gap? How about here, 15? Delete. I don't see. Oh wait, no, right here, I guess. Hold on. SMT there, and then you would want to draw to this high here, and the M1. Did it actually offer? Shit. Damn it. Well, I was too busy entertaining you guys. It's okay. It is okay. Alright, well, that's fucking annoying. Fig, did you take it? This was the tag. Oh my god. Damn! So this candle sweeps, and then we retrace back into it, comes back, tags, could have longed here, or this candle also sweeps these lows, so you could have done this too. Traded into this and then longed there at the fuck. Damn, bro. I would have taken this. At the body, and that's a 1 to 2. Fuck. See, that's what I'm talking about. I would have traded it here, Fig. I would have traded either here, or I would have probably taken it here. Most likely here. You're in, Vig? Dude, put that in the Discord. Damn it. Dude, there were so many questions going on that I didn't know what was going on. And I wasn't looking at the charts. Oh my god. I yapped myself into missing a trade and looking at dog shit pairs. This is what I'm saying, that this is better than any of your Forex pairs that you're looking at. I'm not even kidding. Ugh. Damn. Vig, tag me in Discord of the trade. Because this was clean. But you guys see this, like M15 key level, 15 minute. SMT divergence occurs inside of it. And then you can frame a M1 market maker model to the highs at 18,449.5. Now, daily premium is here. So this is the next draw. Might get there today. If we don't get there today, then not every OB works if you have a clear bias, by the way. It does not. You want to see a stop hunt and then SMT be created at the stop hunt that validates the OB and validates the change in state of delivery. That's what creates a valid order block. A high probability one, to be exact. Bro, Vig, I swear to God, I didn't see the ping. I was just overwhelmed with a billion different questions. I did not only listen to him. What broker should I use for futures contracts? NQ1 exclamation point and ES1. Those are your futures contracts. Dude, guys, gold, please, for the love of God. I don't want to look at this one. We should have only been looking at. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, I'm not looking at it. Yeah, at me. No, I can't even look at Discord because I have YouTube pulled up. Convert your friend to the dark side of the forever model. You should 100% do that. Do futures platforms have trade management tools, contracts? Yeah, it's already implemented into TradingView. You just need to understand that one contract of NASDAQ is $20 per point, and one contract with ES is $50 per point. What are your trading rules in terms of psychology and risk management? Bro, go into the link or in the description of this live, and you'll see the link to the, what's it called? You'll see the link moving to get into the Discord. In regards to my psychology and trade management, my psychology is fine-tuned to looking for the same thing that I look for every single day. That is literally my psychology. And my risk management, it's 1% strict per trade. On funded, I'm risking 0.5%. 0.5% on funded. Eval is usually 1% to 1.5%. I don't go over 1.5%. I don't copy trade them. I trade them separate. Someone was looking at... What the fuck is happening outside? Yeah, Euro's slowing down also because we're, what's it called? It's outside of kill zones. Outside of kill zones. And I just get the alert on gold. What did it do? Golf and silver. AMD. Guys, don't trade this past 12. It's not worth your time. I use my funded FX. Or my funded futures, fuck. Oh, are you looking to take this right now, Vig? Yeah, they just tapped the OB. And there was SMT here or no? Was there SMT here? Oh, yeah, there is. Here, right? Here. I just don't like how it's outside of the kill zones, Vig. I mean, if you're on eval, I mean, you could risk slight. It also looks like a trend line here. But I'll watch it during Asia, maybe. I just don't want to trade this right now. Personally, I'm looking at gold because, well, gold would be more favorable in my opinion because of the 4-hour SMT. Resting here, trading into this 4-hour bearish order block. But who knows? We'll see. That looks abysmal, I can't lie. It's good. It's not a bad tape read. It's not a bad one. Not a bad tape read at all. NQ tomorrow, yes. Yes, NQ tomorrow. Damn, this is fucking clean. I'm kind of pissed that I missed this. Shit. Let's see if something plays out here. There's no SMT at any highs though, that's the thing. Actually, it is here, technically. If you count that. The fuck is calling me? What if ES gave you a high probability? Then no. Hold on. Hold on. Why is it dying hard? Pump? Oh, this? We're drawing into the premium. We still need ES. We need NQ and ES to fill the gap. Both of these bitches. Gap fill. And this gap fill is here. 18.5. 18.5. I definitely see that, Fig. At least here. Hourly. And then hourly here. Oh, yeah. This, I mean, this is going to go. This is going to go. Little drop, 18.5. This, a 53.45. This would have been nice because this was the S&T if we got the tag here, but that's not going to give it to us. I think it's at not power hour is probably going to drive it. What time is it right now? This is 2:30. I mean, bro, we've expanded since literally the fucking all of lunch. Not really lunch. I guess kind of. I think ES gets here. And NASDAQ's 18.5. Regardless, both of these need to fill that new week opening gap. This is the SMT. I don't think that we take this out. This low should hold. And now this here. This is literally just a clean. This is what I kind of fucking missed that I was pretty pissed off about. Sweep SMT. And then there. The trade that I took, I'm going to break it down on Instagram, probably YouTube actually. I'll do a YouTube breakdown on that trade that I showed you guys earlier for the longs on NASDAQ. Does anyone know does anyone know if you trade futures accounts like Apex? I don't know Apex. Fig knows. I don't trade Apex for shit. I hate those accounts. Do you only use 15-minute M1 on ES? No, I do hourly and M5, and I do 4-hour to M15. I do intermediate to short term, and then M15 to M1. Those two short terms. That's what I do. Damn, this shit clean as hell. Was there anything on the M1? 15, M1. Yeah, that shit was so clean. That was so clean. Holy shit. Damn. Damn. I am probably going to cut it here so that I can work on the YouTube video for you guys tonight. And I'm going to do a kick stream as well tonight for the people that are around. Probably do that around 9-ish, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. More Q&A, also bullshit, random talk. But we'll do another YouTube live tomorrow, same time, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Run that. And yeah. But my idea for NQ and ES daily premium, it's drawing there, filling the new week opening gap since we've talked about it. Since we started the stream, that's the idea. But I love doing these streams with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, much love. I mean, did you guys enjoy the stream? Are you happy that we're back? Let me know. But take it easy, guys. Have a good rest of your day. I'm happy to continue providing content for y'all. But be safe, and I'll announce when I do the kick stream later on. Take it easy, guys.